when everybody. Thank you, everyone. And now from today, we are going to start our MFD challenge. And the challenge is all about pushing you, pulling you, hand holding you so that you guys are able to finish your all setup and your business ready by 27th of January. So agenda is this, that I am going to give you a game plan, is a step-by-step process. And in this process, in this timeline, till 27th of January, I am going to be meeting you. I am going to see that you are going to finish all the tasks. And by the 27th of January, you are ready with all the arsenals to go into the market. So I'm going to show you what is the roadmap. The only thing which I require from your side is from today for the next 8 days, I want you guys to commit your 1.5 hours daily. That is the only time commitment and effort which I require from your side. Daily, I want 1.5 hours of your life for the next 8 days. That's all you need to commit, and then everything will start falling into place. Okay. So that is what required from your side. And I'm going to show you a roadmap through which you need to go through so that we all are on the same page and we are able to finish the agenda how we are planning to do that. Okay. So let me share with you what is the game plan which I have created for you. And then I'm going to give you a detailed uh, game plan or the strategy through which you are going to be doing that. So let me share my screen. I think I have, yes. So see, as I told you, the first thing what we are going to do is we are going to understand what we are going to get into. So this is a 21 days or 3-week game plan. My aim is to meet you every Thursday and every Monday, and then we are going to look into where you are getting stuck or what is hindrance you are getting. If you are facing any problem, I am going to help you. The idea is within this 21 days, I am going to help you in preparing for your certification, and you are going to pass the exam by 14th day from today. Okay. Then in the next 7 days, I'm going to help you in getting your ARN number, and then I'm going to help you in setting your transaction platform, that is MFU platform, so that you can help your client in getting transaction. In case they want to do lump sum, in case they want to do SIP, everything you will be able to do that. Then I'm also going to help you in setting up your service platform so that you can service your client. Your client wants to see the statement, value, everything you will be able to do sitting at home without any trouble. How to do that, that we are going to help you with. Then also how to monitor your business, which platform to use, how to use that platform, that also I am going to do that. So these all things we are going to cover it. The first agenda for you is for the till next Thursday, every day you are going to commit 1.5 hours, and then you are fully prepared for the certification, and then you are going to move into it. So let me show you what is the game plan. Are you with me till now? Just type with you in the comment box in case you are able to get what I am trying to communicate to you. Type in the comment box with you in case you are able to get this right. If you are able to understand it, come on guys, let me see how many of you are able to get what I'm trying to say. Okay, Snehal is first, Manthan, good. So those of you, I can see 8 people in the room. I see only 2 responses. In case you are not clear on this, you tell me. If you are not clear, I'm going to guide you on that. Okay. So I have divided this into 3 weeks. So it is a 3-week game plan what you are going to go through. Okay. So the first leg is all about preparing yourself and getting your NISM certification and ARN done. Okay. So ideally we should have started yesterday evening, but I was not able to get it thing. But from today, what you need to do is you need to get your NISM profile creation done. Okay, so this is the agenda which you need to do today. You need to do your NISM profile certification done. Okay, because it takes to validate your profile or your login on NISM, it takes 2 to 3 days. So I want you guys to create your NISM profile today. How to do that? What are the things you need to do? That is there in your Finbase Success Meetup Day 2. So please go through that, and you are now, from all those of you who has finished the form or those who have filled the Google form, now you will be receiving mail on a daily basis from me. Daily you are going to receive one email. I want you guys to go through that email and do the task which is there in that. It is only going to come for the next 8 days, so I want you guys to please go through that. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to take that time commitment. So from today itself, I want you guys to commit, as I told you, 1.5 hours. So why I'm saying you this is, if you look into this, the first chapter which is there in your NISM 5A success kit, it is of 78 minutes. So I want you guys to finish before going to sleep the chapter number 1 still, if you have not done. On tomorrow, I want you guys to go through chapter number 2, which is of 70 minutes. That is close to 1 hour 10 minutes. So I want you guys to finish it up. Now, please remember, whenever you are finishing any chapter, you are going to receive an email from me, which will have a chapter-wise questionnaire. I want you guys to finish that questionnaire and reply me back. Every email I am asking you to reply me back with the score. So what ideally you need to do, you need to go through the chapter daily, 1, 2, or 3 chapter, but the time which required from your side is only 1.5 hours. Once you finish that chapter, I'm going to send you an email with the questionnaires of those chapters only. I want you guys to answer and then reply me the score. So Saturday, you need to go through chapter number 2. On Sunday, you need to go through chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, and chapter 6. Now, if you look at the duration of these chapters, if you go through an NISM 5A success kit, it is 21 minutes, 30 minutes, 21 minutes, 27 minutes. So if you all put together, it is close to an hour and a half. So I want you guys to go through this. Moin Pala, I'm going to guide you. Okay, just be there. So this is for the Sunday. So by Sunday, you should be finishing your 6 chapters. Then I'm going to meet you on Monday at 7:30 p.m. On Monday, I want you guys to finish the chapter number 7. Okay. It is of 58 minutes. So I want you guys, when you are coming on Monday to meet me for the MFD challenge in the evening, I want you guys to finish chapter number 7. And on Monday, I am going to give you some additional question papers. Okay. So in case you guys are serious, by Monday, you should be allocating 1.5 hours. And I have shown you all the videos are having less than 1.5 hour time commitment, max 1.5 hour. But by 1 hour, you will be finishing that. On Monday, I'm going to meet you. Then we are going to assess. And I am also going to discuss with you some new question papers. So it will be a live session. So I'm going to discuss with you some of the questions which are coming into the examination. I'm going to discuss with you how to handle those questions so that you guys are fully ready. Okay. So we are going to meet on Monday. So this is the game plan till Monday. Then on Tuesday, I want you guys to go through chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. So once you go through this, then on Wednesday, I want you guys to go through chapter number 10, and it is of 68 minutes. And on Thursday, chapter number 11 and 12. Then if you go through these 2 chapters, you will be finishing your NISM 5A success kit course. Now, please remember, as I told you, every day I'm going to send you email regarding the questions of these chapters. Only for these chapters I'm going to send you, because I want to see how many of you are really serious who are going to take action. Okay. So I want you guys to reply me back so that I know that you guys have gone through that course. So when we are going to meet on Thursday, we are going to discuss some additional question papers. We are going to be doing some more homework. We are going to discuss a lot of new things, which is going to help you in passing the exams in flying color. So this should be the agenda. The most important thing what you need to understand is, in these 3 days before Monday, whenever you are going to come, I want you guys to book your examination date. What should be the examination date? The examination date should be from today, max of 14 days. So today is what? Today is 7. 7 plus 14, that is 21. Before 20th, you need to take your examination date. If you have any doubt that I will not be able to prepare, I will not be able to pass, so you have my commitment. I am going to refund your money if you are going to fail. Only commitment which I want from your side is, I want you guys for the next 8 days, I want you guys to give me 1.5 hours. Are you with me? Are you ready to give this commitment to me that you are going to give your 1.5 hours daily till Thursday? Yes, just type yes or no in the comment box. I want you guys to commit your 1.5 hours and take your examination date before 20th. 20. I want you guys to take the date before 20th. If you have a doubt, I am not going to pass the exam, it is very difficult, or how I am going to do that, you have my backing. I am going to make sure that you are going to pass the exam. In any case, if you're going to fail, you don't worry, I will be paying your fees. Okay, so you take that leap of faith and create your NSM profile and write and take the date before 20th. Okay, type 20 in the comment box if you guys are going to commit that you are going to give the exam before 20th. Let me see how many of you are going to give the exam before 20. All of you, those who are in the room, I want your commitment. 20, type in the comment box. Those who are not typing, I would like to know for what reason you are not typing. For why you think that you will not be able to do. I want all of you to type 20 in the comment box. Jaruddin, what is the problem? Mohanlal, Gurdeep, what is the problem? Tell me what is the problem, Gurdeep. Gurdeep is also taken comment. Good, 1, 2, 3. Everyone, good. I want all of you to keep this mindset. And I'm telling you, no, I am going to make sure that you are going to pass the exam. Okay, good. So then we are going to meet on Thursday and we are going to be discussing this. So up till now, we have finished 2 weeks. And by now, you guys are going to be giving the exam. Then on Monday, we are going to discuss the mock question papers and we are going to discuss a lot of new things. So by now you are fully prepared and now you are going to pass the exam no matter how. Okay, so once you have passed the exam in the second leg, when we are going to meet on Thursday, we are going to apply for your ARN. Please remember, the day you are going to give the exam and the day you are going to be applying for your ARN, it should have 2-3 days time lag, or between the examination giving date and applying for the ARN, you require 2-3 days gap, because the data from NISM to be updated on AMFI website, it takes time. Okay, so you need to make sure that when we are going to meet on Thursday, where I'm going to handhold you to apply for the ARN, I want you guys to give the exam by Monday or Tuesday max, so that by Thursday your data is updated and with me you are going to get your ARN number. I am going to guide you on that. Okay, so once you get your ARN number, then we are going to meet again on Monday, where I am going to help you in setting up all your operational setup. I'm going to help you in setting up your CAMS login, Carby login on your MFU setup, where you are going to do your all client transaction. Okay, so this is our game plan. By Monday you are going to do that, and once you have done it on Monday, then the last leg is when I am going to meet you on Thursday. I am going to see whether you have set up everything, your operational setup, your ARN number, your transactional platforms, which by Monday I am going to give you all the arsenals. And if you are going to do with me on Thursday, I'm going to see everything is done, and I'm going to declare all the winners who are going to finish it. Those who are going to finish it by 27th, this is on Thursday, I'm going to give you a special gift from my side. Okay, so I want you guys to commit yourself only 8 days. As I showed you, you require to give me only 8 days of your life. By Thursday, you guys will be, by Thursday to Thursday, it means from Friday to Thursday, it is how many? 7 days. 7 days, 1.5 hours daily you need to give me. And my suggestion to you is, you are going to commit this 1.5 hours in the morning time. Please remember, if you think after coming from your job or your office or your business, you are going to commit, it is never going to happen. Your life will take over. You will have, sometimes you will be tired. Sometimes your mood will not be good. Sometimes your family commitment will come up. Anything can happen. Only morning time is the time when you have full control. So wake up 1.5 hours early in the morning. Make sure that you guys are going to commit your morning time. Only 7 days you need to wake up 1.5 hours early to change the life of your family and yours. So commit that thing, and I am going to make sure that this year 2022 will be a landmark year for all of you. I'm going to make sure that you are going to earn a lot of money from this business. So just commit next 7 days and commit 1.5 hours in the morning. If you are waking up at 7, wake at 5:30. If you are waking up at 5:30, wake up at 4. But no matter how, you need to make sure that you are going to commit your morning 1.5 hours daily. And once you do that, I am going to make sure that you are going to be committing yourself. Okay. So just Mandar has written, he is going to wake up at 5:30 in the morning. I want you guys to type in the comment box what time you are going to rise from tomorrow for the next 8 days. Let me see how many of you have planned it. Just type what time you are going to rise from tomorrow. Yes, Mantam is saying 5. Let me see how many of you are really serious and getting it. Gurdeep is saying 6. All those who are there in the room, I want all of you to commit your time. When you are going to wake up, you need to commit your morning time only. If you are thinking that any day I am going to, in day, any time I'm going to do, it is never going to happen. So please remember that. My experience is that. So I hope everybody is clear on the game plan. Now let me talk about your numbers. Okay. So your next 14 days, as I told you, before Jan 20th, I want you guys to give the exam. It is deadline. You don't have to go beyond that. Okay. So by Jan 20th, I want you guys to give the exam no matter how. So your task is create your NSM profile now in case you have not done. And if you have created your NSM profile before going to sleep, select the date for the exam before 20th January. Okay. So once you have done that, then we are going to apply for the ARN before Jan 24th. If you are going to do on your own, then you can see the MFB setup blueprint course. You can do yourself, but I am going to guide you on Jan 24th. Then your operation setup, we are going to finish by Jan 26th. And then we are on Jan 27th. I am going to declare all the winners, and all of those who are going to do all the setups done. I am going to give a personal gift from my side to all the winners from this group. So are you guys excited to ride with me on this journey? Just type excited in the comment box. Yes. So all of you are clear on this? All of you are clear on how we are going to do that? Yes. Good. So now I have given you the game plan. Now I will be after you every Monday. We are going every Thursday and Monday. We are going to meet from now till 27th of January. What you need to make sure that you are going to finish the chapters which are going to be committed in the next 14 days journey, or 8 days to be precise. By next Thursday, you are going to be finishing your NISM 5-year success kit. Not only that, you are going to be ready for your certification. So this is the game plan. This is the very feasible solution which I have given you. Only thing required from your side is 1.5 hours till next Thursday. Come on, guys. This is the only time commitment. And believe me, you are not going to regret that, because the result which you are going to get, the real money which is going to flow into your account, will be consistent, growing over a period of time. So I want you guys to commit that, and I am going to meet you on when? On Monday, when we are going to discuss. Before that, you need to finish 6-7 chapters, and you need to give the exams of which I am going to send you on a daily basis for the chapters which you are going to finish. All of you have filled the Google form. Any of you who has not filled the Google form? Any one of you who has not filled the Google form, just type I in the comment box. Malcolm, you have not finished the Google form. Anyone else who has not finished the Google form? Okay, let me share with you the link. I want all of you to fill the Google form. I have shared in the Telegram group also. In case you have not filled the Google form, let me share the link with you. All of you, that is a good suggestion. Let me create a group for all these mutual fund challenges. All of you, those who have not filled this Google form, I want you guys to fill this Google form so that I can put you in a separate group. We are going to create a WhatsApp group also. And then next 21 days, we are going to rock. Okay. In this January, we are going to create a huge value proposition for all of you. Okay. All of you are able to get the form. Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any question? You can ask me now.